Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly get to your own ideation application within Bettyblocks. An ideation application can be used by you and your colleagues to collect all the best ideas that you have and vote for them. And the most popular votes, or the most popular ideas, will get a trending tag and can be used by, for example, your HR department or sales or however you want to use the ideation application. And to get started, first, go to your Bettyblocks environment and create an application using the Ideation application template. Use the template, fill in your application name and identifier, and create the application. After installing your application's template, there's only one thing you need to do to make sure that you have the full use of your application, and that is set a configuration. We can do this by going to the toolbox and then clicking on configurations. Here you can see the app ID, and within the app ID you can press edit and you need to fill in the app URL or the identifier from your application. So go to the URL, copy the identifier part from your URL and paste it within the value. Then save and close the tab. This is the only thing you need to do to make sure that your template works to its best, fullest potential. After this, we can already get started because this application starts with a lot of nice and nifty things. It starts with a lot of actions, data models, and pages. And let's immediately go to the dashboard, for example. Let's press play or compile to start up and see what our application looks like and what we can actually do within this ideation application. Here, you have the login screen. This is also the part where we can create our new account. So press register new account, fill in your details. And in my case, I'm not a citizen developer, but if you are a citizen developer, there are some different changes in this app. So create your account. My account's been created. I can now log in. Well, sure. Allow me to get help by my browser. And here we go. And immediately you have your own ideation application. So let's go over what you can find over here. You can, see Spark. You can see top innovators. And right now, I'm here on my own. So let's add some items. I have a new Spark, so this is an idea that I have for my colleagues, and I'm talking about a burrito day, for example. So, burrito day. I want burritos for lunch. Then my targets are lunch, my stomach, and colleagues. Contributions, not at the moment. Tax, lunch, food. So there we go. And after posting my new ID, my colleagues can see what kind of ID I have, for example. I can also post a challenge and use this to discuss something with my colleagues. So I've got burrito day. I can upvote this. I can downvote this. I can say that I want to receive notifications, and I can also, for example, add comments. So that's a great idea. Add comment. And this is something that you can set up, share with your colleagues. And the moment that multiple ideas and things have been set up, you will have a board full of ideas, sparks, challenges that you and your colleagues can share. And the only thing you have to do, or you can do, is change up some of the style settings. So for example, let's go back to my dashboard. Then let me change my logo up. So let me set a different logo. Check what the background uses. So the background uses a grayish color or anything. We can go to our theme builder, change some of the styles, for example, the accents. Let's say that I want this to be red. Don't look at me when something's kind of look a bit off. And greenish. So we're gonna save the accents, we're gonna apply them, and I'm going back to the page. And as you can see, after the page is loaded in, my page looks amazing and new. So we can press compile or press play in this case. And immediately have our own styled page with our own logo. You can set a logo on every page you want, and you have your own ideation application ready to go live within minutes. Set up your own ideation app and send me a link because I'd love to see it.